Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation and maintenance and testing. Today we are interested to do the comparison between overhead and underground system. So let's go to the today's topic. We have seen for the overhead supply system and we have seen the underground system. Now we are interested for a subsystem. Let's say whenever we are using a DC system, the two wire will get the value of volume of conductor as 1. So there is no drawback as you are using a overhead or as you are using a underground for the case of DC two wire system. But for the case of single phase system AC, whenever we are using the sub classification as two wire system, then for the overhead and underground there is a again same value of volume of conductor material is used. So here also there is a no difference between overhead and underground system for the single phase AC system. We'll go for next, which is very important, three phase supply system, that is AC. Obviously for a three phase three wire system we are using a volume conductor for overhead as 0.5 times divided by cos square phi, and for the underground we are using a maximum value of conductor material required, that is 1.5 divided by cos square phi. So obviously whenever there is a case of three phase three wire system, then we have to choose the volume of conductor required as 0.5 times or 0.5 divided by cos square phi. We know that whenever we are using a less volume of conductor material, then it results into the less amount of investment or less amount of cost. Hence, for the case of three phase three wire, we are using 0.5 times or 0.5 divided by cos square phi. So this expression we have get from the previous lectures. So those who are interested to see the previous lectures, they can go into the unit number 1 playlist and they can watch out the previous videos. Next, we are interested to find out the volume of conductor material required for the three phase 4 wire system. Here we are using for the overhead transmission line, and we will get the expression as 0.583 divided by cos square phi. For the underground system, we will get the value of 1.75 divided by cos square phi. Here, the comparison also says that whenever we are interested to use the three phase 4 wire system for the distribution purpose, then we have to follow the overhead transmission only, because it saves the volume of conductor material required. So this conclusion I made here. The summary is here. There is a great saving in conductor material if the DC is adopted for transmission of the electric power, obviously. But due to the technical difficulties, DC system is not used for the transmission. For the AC system, three phase system is most suitable because there is a considerable saving in conductor material. This system is a convenient and efficient. So this is the conclusion of the story, that we have to use the overhead transmission for the three phase 3 wire and three phase 4 wire. I hope you understood the comparison between overhead and underground transmission system. Thank you. God bless you all.